So two forces F1, F2 are acting at a point having resultant as F. If F2 is doubled, F is also doubled. If F2 is reversed, then also F is doubled. Then F1 is to F2 is to F is. Right? Gurudeep, I'll send you the recording link. Don't worry.
Yes, sir.
I have to edit because most of the times what happens, there are many dead air between. Na? So two forces F1 and F2 are acting at a point having resultant as F. So we have these two forces. Just pay attention. F1 and F2 are acting at a point. So we have these two forces. क्या हुआ इसको? ठीक है. Now it says this is the resultant. All of you please pay attention. The blue one is F1. The blue one is F1. This is F2. And this is F. If F2 is doubled, F is also doubled. So let's say F2 doubles. तो F2 हो जाएगा 2F. ठीक है? This is how it will look like. And F also doubles. So this becomes twice. ठीक है? If F2 is reversed, then also F is doubled. So if F2 is reversed, then also F is doubled. So this is the reversed F2. Right? And this is again doubled. तो बोलता है कि सॉरी इसको रिजल्टेंट है ना ये. So in this case you have to make equations. In this case you have to make equations. How many of you tried this question?
Sir, I tried this one.
I tried, but I
Okay.
got the wrong answer.
हाँ, no worries. So see, let's say the angle between F1 and F2 is, this is how you should attempt it, right? Try attempting it. F1 and F2 है यहाँ पे. Capital F is the resultant force, right? So capital F is equal to root of F1 square plus F2 square plus using triangle law of addition of vectors. All of you know this. Cos theta is capital F. Yes or no? All of you understood or not?
Yes, sir.
If I
Yes,
remove
sir.
this, if I remove this, the square root, it becomes a square sign here, right? Now, this becomes 2f whole square. This becomes 2f whole square when f2 is doubled. And this is 2f1 into 2f2. The angle is not changing, right? All of you understood this second equation? Hariharan, you did the homework or not?
Yes, sir. But I did the fourth sum only, sir, because I went outside, sir.
Okay, no worries. So, but before next class, you have to complete your homework, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is the second. All of you understood this first question. How did I write this first equation? All of you tell me. You understood this
Yes, sir.
first equation?
Yes, sir.
All of you understood this second equation. Arav Jain, you understood the second equation or not?
No, I didn't understand the second equation.
What happened in this? Read this
So
one. If F2 is doubled, F is also doubled. So that is the second equation. So F is doubled मतलब 2F हो गया वो. Using triangle law of addition of vectors only, right? Arav? So 2F का
yeah,
whole square is equal to F1
it's equal.
square plus this is 2F2.
But sir, why will F1 be squared?
Array, it is saying a doubled. So you remember your triangle law of addition of vectors or not?
Yeah, I do.
So then why you are asking me then? Why we are doubling it?
Okay.
Why you are
Sorry.
squaring it? See? If you want to remove the square root, you have to square it. Yes or no?
Yes, we do.
So we are doing the same.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Got it? Sure? Now the last one, the third condition. See, we want to establish a relation between F1, F2 and F, right? So now, please pay attention. इधर देखो सब लोग. All of you, don't write it. It's very good question. Now, when F2 is reversed, what is the angle between F1 and F2? Hariharan?
I don't know.
Hariharan? हरिहरन फिर गायब हो गया. अविका, थर्ड केस में F2 is reversed. What is the angle between? तुम्हारा कैमरा क्यों नहीं ऑन है बेटा? ये भी नहीं आ रही है.
Sir, I'm
हर्षिता,
traveling. I'm reaching home in 5 minutes.
ठीक है. हर्षिता, what is angle between F1 and reversed F2?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
अरे I don't know क्या होता है? Why you don't know? If this is F2 minus F2, right? This was F2, it got reversed. Now what is the angle between F1 and minus F2? This is minus F2. Understood? You understood this or not?
Yes, sir.
Then what is the angle between F1 and minus F2 if this is theta?
Sir, 180 minus theta?
हाँ, simple है. Then why are you saying I don't know, sir? है
Sir,
I don't
I
know
got
बोलने का
confused
ठेका ले
whether
रखा
it
है.
would be the right answer or
अरे
wrong, sir.
भाई, जो सामने दिख रहा है बेटा वो लिखना है. कोई चमत्कार थोड़ी हो रहा है? जादू थोड़ी है बेटा. This is pi minus theta or 180 minus theta, right? All of you can write it. So now pay attention. Again, this is 2f, right? It doubled. The resultant is doubled. So 2f whole square, in this case, I am writing the third equation. All of you pay attention. Don't write. Vivan Chaudhary, इधर देखो, screen पे. 2f whole square is equal to f1 square plus minus f2 का whole square plus it's how much? Magnitude is f2, right? ये sorry, ये minus f2 नहीं आएगा. It is magnitude only. So we are interested in magnitude. So this is 2 f1 f2 cos 180 degrees minus theta. This is third equation. Now pay attention. This equation will be f1 square plus f2 square. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. Yesterday we saw this. Yes or no? We learned about this in the yesterday session.
Yes.
Right? So this is 4f square. This is 3a. It is derived from third equation only. Now pay attention. All of you please pay attention. You see these two equations. We want to find relation between f1, f2 and f. These two relations. Can you guys see this? If I add these two, what I have here is 5f square. So I am adding 3a plus 1. I am solving these now. 5f square is equal to 2f1 square plus 2f2 square. I hope all of you understood. Minus 2f1 cos theta and plus 2f1 cos theta will cancel each other. Yes or no? All of you?
Yes.
So this is the first equation between fourth equation लिखो इसको, between f1, f2 and f, right? One more equation we want. How will we do this? इसमें देखो, इधर आओ. All of you pay attention. अरे मत लिखो रे भाई, मत लिखो. अरे आरव जैन, don't write. What are you writing? Don't write. I am repeating it. Don't write. Focus, please focus. This is important.
Okay, sir.
छापने का काम बेटा स्कूल में करना है, यहाँ नहीं है ना. प्लीज ध्यान से सुनो, बहुत जरूरी है बेटा, ये नहीं तो समझ नहीं आएगा ना. नाउ ऑल ऑफ यू, हरिहरन, गुरुदीप, हर्षिता, डोंट राइट. आई एम सेइंग दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ये तुम 4 दिन तक करते रहोगे, नहीं समझ में आएगा क्वेश्चन. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन बिटवीन f1, f2 एंड f. नाउ पे अटेंशन, द सेकंड क्वेश्चन, सेकंड इक्वेशन इज प्लस 2f1 f2 है यहाँ. That is 4f1 f2, right? And here it is minus 2f1 f2. What you do here is, you just multiply 3a equation with 2. 2 matlab numeric 2, right? Number 2. So when I multiply this by 2, what I get here is 8f square is equal to 2f1 square plus 2f2 square minus 4f1 f2 cos theta. Yes or no?
Yes.
All of you understood this? I multiplied equation 3a with 2. Harshita?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Okay. Now what I'll do is, I will add equation 2 and this equation. Let's name this equation as equation 5. And 2 plus 5. I add these two equations. What is equation 2? This is equation 2. All of you, can you see this? This is equation 2. All of you, can you see this?
Yes.
So, मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, when I add these two, this is how much. I'll just expand this equation, right? 1 minute bas. So this is 4f square. Just pay attention, see what is happening here. This is f1 square plus 4f2 square plus 4f1 f2 cos of theta. This is the second equation only. I've just elaborated it. So when I add 2 and 5 equation, I get, देखो क्या मिल रहा है मुझे? I'll get 12f square. Just pay attention. 12f square, right? Is equal to 3f1 square plus 6f2 square, और ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएगा. Got it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Just process it. If you have understood it, say understood till this equation. This is equation number 6 for me.
So I understood.
Vivan Chaudhary,
I
Harshita, Gurudeep, Avika Mehta, Hariharan. All of you
Sir, I
understood this or
understood.
not?
Sir, I didn't understand from the beginning because I joined the class late.
मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता बेटा. मतलब ये पूरा बताने में फिर मुझे एक आधा 15 मिनट लगेंगे. Why you joined late?
Sir, because I had gone to my other tuition, sir left me late
So
from
I'll
there.
send you the recording. You can just watch this questions recording, right? After that, क्योंकि 15 मिनट लग जाएंगे बेटा इसको बताने में. ठीक है? तो
Okay,
कोई
sir.
बात नहीं. हाँ, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन से तुम देखो और फिर क्या करेंगे ना, उसको पढ़ एक बार तुम देख लेना, रिकॉर्डिंग में शुरू से आएगा और फिर मुझे बताना अगर नहीं समझ में आएगा. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Then I am simplifying this because there are common factors here. So it is 4f square is equal to f1 square plus 2f2 square. I am dividing it by 3. So I got this one. So I have, this is again 6th equation only with reduced factors, right? So I have
Yes, sir.
4f square is equal to f1 square plus 2f2 square, right? This is the 6th question equation I am writing here. Now we want a ratio between f1, f2 and f. So what we will do is we will try to find f1 in terms of f, f2 in terms of f, and f तो है ही वहां पे. So when we put the values of f1 and f2 in terms of f, I repeat, when I put values of f1 and f2 in terms of f, capital F will cancel out and we will get a numeric value there, right? So how will we do this? Just do 4 minus 6. Can you see common यहाँ पे 2f2 and 2f2? 2f2 square, 2f2 square. Can you see this? All of you? Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what you do here is subtract equation 6 from equation 4. Do this. What will you get here? You get f square. Just pay attention. F square is equal to f1 square. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Or from here you get f1 is equal to f. I hope all of you understood this. So we got
Yes,
the
sir.
first value. Now substituting this value of f1 in any of the equations you have here. In any of the equations I am saying. इस f1 की value को यहाँ substitute कर दो. What do you get? You get f here, right? So from here, I substituted it here, and then what I'm getting here is, just pay attention, beta. Huh? We get 4f square is equal to f square plus 2f2 square. So this is 3f square is equal to 2f2 square. Or from here I get root 3 by 2f is equal to f2. See, this was more of solving equations, right? First you have to make equations and then solve. So now I got f2 in terms of f, I got f1 in terms of f, and we have f in terms of f only. So what is this ratio then? F1 is capital F is to, pay attention, F2 is root 3 by 2f is to f. कॉमन अगर लेना चाहो तो √2 ले लो कॉमन यहां से, यू विल गेट √2 is to √3 is to √2. This is the answer. I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir, understood it.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. You simply have to form the equations. ठीक है. विवान चौधरी, समझ आया नहीं आया?
Yes.
गुरुदीप, you understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. हर्षिता को समझ आ गया. अविका, प्लीज बेटा बाद में रिकॉर्डिंग देख लेना. हाँ, आरव जैन, you understood or not? Is it overwhelming for you?
A little bit so.
What happened in this? Which part you are not able to understand? Tell me.
So I'm able to understand. I'm just processing it,
ठीक,
and I'm
ठीक.
learning.
Okay, ठीक है, चलेगा. हरिहरन, you understood?
Sir, fifth and sixth equation I can't understand, sir.
Fifth equation, this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is written here, Hariharan? Check. 3a, multiply equation 3a with numeric 2. Right?
Yes, sir.
Where is this 3a equation? This is the 3a equation.
Yes,
When you
sir.
multiply it by 2, what do you get? 8f square. 2
Square.
into 4f square is 8f square.
Yes, sir.
f1 square into 2 is 2f1 square. f2 square into 2 is 2f2 square.
2f2 square.
When you multiply this with 2, you get minus 4f1 f2 cos theta. Understood?
Yes, sir. Now I understood.
The first thing which you have to do in this question was, the first thing which you should have done in this question was, write the equations according to these conditions. Write the equations according to these conditions. That's it. So this was the first equation, first condition. This was the second equation, second condition. And this is the third equation, third condition, third equation. That's it. Right? So all of you just go through it once, make notes. Notes बना लो इसके. ठीक है, then I'll move ahead with the next question. Do it quickly.
सर व्यवस्थित प्रत्येक स्टेप नहीं बना.
देखो, परेशान मत हो. ये सब क्वेश्चंस थोड़े मैं क्यों तुमसे मेहनत करवा रहा हूँ? Why I'm asking you to work upon a little bit difficult questions is, see, your mental strength matters to me. ठीक है? अगर मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ ठीक नहीं है तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगी. सो patience, how to solve equations. You are learning how to solve equations. लिखो लिखो, note it. If you have any doubts in the steps, you can ask.
So while processing this question, I didn't understand what you did from this step. Equation 4 minus equation 6. I didn't understand after that.
Okay. When we subtract it, what do we get, Arav?
So we get the difference between those two
Those
equations.
two, right? So what
Yeah,
did we get there? F square is equal to F1 square. We got this or not? After
yeah, we
doing the
did.
subtraction. So
Yes,
we got F1 in terms of F.
yeah.
That was our motive.
Okay.
We
So,
want F1 and F2 in terms of F. See, whenever, always remember, this happens in ratio. Okay. If we have three things, F1 is to F2 is to F. मान लो ये है, ठीक है? And the answers are there in terms of numeric values. 1 is to 2 is to 3. Let's say the second option is root 3 is to 2 is to root 3. Right? Third one is say root 2 is to root 3 is to root 2. Like that. Okay? That means F1 and F2 has to be in terms of F, or or F2 and F will have to be in terms of F1,
yeah,
or F1 and F should be in terms of F2.
F2.
तभी तो कैंसिल होगा ना F1 F2 F.
Yeah,
So it was convenient for us. See, we got F1 is equal to F. So it was convenient for us to find F2 also. So what did we do? We substituted the value of F1 in
yeah,
terms of F, right? This F. So it became 4F square is equal to F square plus F2 F2 square.
yeah.
We solved for F2.
Okay,
So
okay.
F2 I got F2 as root 3 upon root 2 into capital F. Now I substituted the value here. It's F is to root 3 by root 2 F is to F, right?
Okay,
So since the answer is written in terms like this, so I simply took the common value root 2, root 3 and root 2. This is the value.
okay. I understand, sir. Thank you.
Most welcome. See, don't rush through the question. Always ask कि क्या हो रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है. I'll explain. Don't worry. Please make notes quickly. We still have some more questions to solve. Harshita, you have given me your doubts or not?
Yes, sir. I sent you in the chat. I personally chat in the personal
Which are
chat. I
those
have sent
questions?
you.
2, 3, 4, 5. So fourth we
Yes,
have
sir.
done. I think 2 is doubt of some other student also.
So me.
तुम्हारा भी. Okay, विवान चौधरी का डाउट है 9, 11, 18. ठीक है. I'll try to do maximum number of questions. Don't worry. चलो, done all of you?
No, sir. 1 second, please.
अरे एक काम करो ना. See, you can write this later on also. I'll always give you the recording. We will save time, or else we'll keep on doing this only.
Okay,
Hmm?
sir.
Can you write it
Yes, sir.
afterwards? लिख लो. डाउट क्लास है इसलिए कोई चैलेंज नहीं है बहुत बड़ा. So let's
Yes,
do
sir.
the third one.
Okay.
Let's do the third one. क्या बोलता है? Second question. Okay. अविका, तुम बेटा देख के मुझे बताना. हाँ, इसको अगर कोई डाउट होगा तो तुमको समझ आ जाएगा वैसे तो. हेलो हेलो अविका,
Yes, sir.
घर पहुंच गए बेटा?
Yes, sir. बस
तो
एक
फिर
मिनट
कैमरा ऑन कर ले. So resultant of two vectors of magnitude P and Q is of magnitude Q, right? So this is P, this is Q, and this is Q. If the magnitude of Q is doubled, now the angle made by new resultant is with P is. So all of you please pay attention. Don't write. Harshita,
Yes, sir.
what did you do in this?
Sir, I first took the resultant
So we have
of
vector P and Q. You have to
yes,
assume
sir.
you have P and Q and the angle between them is theta. Let's say
Yes.
we will use triangle law of addition of vectors here. So it says the resultant of two vectors of magnitude P and Q is of magnitude Q only, right? So what is R if P and Q and theta are there? So R square is P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But this R square is Q square, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This cancelled out, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then this also will cancel out because this is 0 here. आ रहा हो तुमको समझ आ रहा है कि नहीं तुम्हारा डाउट है ये
समझ आ रहा है
आ गया
Sir,
ना हाँ और
हाँ आ रहा है
so how did 2p square and p got cut?
अरे भाई मतलब
Sir means p will remain, right?
अरे क्यों p square will go ना I didn't cancel this entire thing I only canceled the exponent sign 0 is equal to p into p plus 2q cos theta विवान चौधरी समझ आया बेटा तो p plus 2q cos theta is equal to 0 all of you understood or not
Yes, sir.
right this is the first equation now अब वो क्या बोलता है if the magnitude of q is doubled now so magnitude of q is doubled now the angle made by the new resultant with p so new resultant is r1 let's say new resultant is r1 right magnitude of q is now doubled so now we have an angle 2q but we don't know the angle remains same right this remains same so r1 is what नहीं ये तो पूछा ही नहीं उसने so new resultant will be r1 and its angle with p is phi so what is tan phi याद है क्या होता है tan phi b sin theta in b in this case is 2q so it's 2q sin theta upon a is p here plus 2q cos theta I hope all of you understood this b cos theta remember or not Arav Jain
या
Arav Jain
या
you understood what I wrote here
so R1 is the new resultant phi is the
yes
between
so,
the
so just a second I'll draw it just a second this is p this is 2q this was q and 2q right this is the new resultant r1 okay Arav this angle is theta this angle is phi this is new resultant r1 this is p vector this
that's
is 2q vector
okay yes so
so now I have to find this phi they are asking me angle na phi
yes
right
so
so tan phi is this angle is
that
this vector becomes b vector right remember a and b vector we had
yeah
in triangle of addition of vectors Harshita you
yes I
remember or not
remember this sir
so
Yes,
this is
sir.
b sin theta upon a plus b cos theta I hope all of you remember this so in this
so,
case क्या बोलो हाँ या ना ये याद है कि नहीं
हाँ
है
हाँ याद आ गया है
तो टू बी याद आना नहीं है रिवाइज करके बैठना है बेटा क्लास में है ना दिस
ठीक है
इज 2q sin theta this is 2q sin theta upon a plus 2 sorry a नहीं p plus 2q cos theta this is tan phi I hope all of you understood this those of you who have your doubts in this question understood or not अरे हाँ ना बोलो भाई
हाँ
तो 2q sin theta हो गया what is p plus 2q cos theta can you find this here
that's one
0
zero
0 0 0 0 है बेटा so this becomes not defined so tan phi is not defined so phi is tan inverse of not defined किस एंगल का tan not defined होता है which angle has its tan as not defined
what sir can you repeat
अरे भाई सामने लिखा है देखो.
So tan inverse.
What will be the value of phi for which tan is not defined? Tan of this angle is not defined.
90.
Obviously 90 degrees. So the value was 90 degrees. So the angle between new resultant and P is 90 degrees. Understood?
So
हेलो
I
हेलो हेलो.
have one doubt, sir.
क्या
सर
बेटा?
सर वो आपने सेकंड डायग्राम में भी क्यों थीटा इस साइड लिखा है?
किस साइड? मैं समझा नहीं तुम क्या बोलना चाह रही हो.
Sir, in your second diagram, why had you
Which
included
second
theta?
diagram? This diagram?
Yes,
There is
sir,
only
that
one
one.
diagram.
Yes, sir, that one. But that is
हाँ.
for the second equation now, sir.
Second condition. Yes. Yes.
हाँ, sir. So आपने थीटा
हाँ.
इस साइड क्यों लिखा है और phi, why have you taken it that side?
What is theta? Tell me what is theta?
Sir, theta is the angle between the two vectors.
Which vectors?
Sir, the resultant formed by
No,
2q and
no, no, no. Between P and Q. I wrote it here. Angle P and Q. The resultant is, sorry, the angle between them is theta. Got it?
yes, sir.
I wrote it here. See, we used it in triangle law of addition of vectors. ठीक है हर्षिता? Harshita,
Yes, sir. Got it.
you understood this or not?
Yes, sir, I understood it.
हाँ. पक्का ना? बाद में दुखी मत होना फिर. अरे
So
भाई,
But
we
that's
have
right.
एक सेकंड. Resultant is r square, Harshita. A square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Theta is the angle between A and B. Theta is, बेटा प्लीज पढ़ लिया करो, लिखा है सब ट्रायंगल लॉ में, is angle between vector A and vector B. ठीक है हर्षिता?
Yes, sir.
हर्षिता. हाँ. अब देखो सुनो. tan phi is equal to b sin theta अपॉन a प्लस b cos theta. समझ आया बेटा?
Yes, sir.
ये फाई क्या था? फाई इज एंगल बिटवीन वेक्टर ए एंड रिजल्टेंट वेक्टर आर. ठीक है हर्षिता?
Yes, sir.
नाउ यू नो द डिफरेंस बिटवीन थीटा एंड फाई. व्हाट इज थीटा? व्हेन इज वेयर इज थीटा? व्हाट इज फाई? वेयर इज फाई?
Yes, sir.
तो ये यहाँ पे यूज किया है बेटा मैंने. सिंपल है ये. ठीक है.
so
एक सेकेंड बेटा, उसको निपटा लूं पहले, उससे बात कर लूं पहले, फिर आना तुम. बिल्कुल मौका दूंगा तुम्हें मैं. हाँ हर्षिता, अंडरस्टूड और नॉट? हर्षिता जी, हाँ ना बोलिए प्लीज.
Yes, sir. हाँ, sir. समझ आया.
समझ आया ना? हाँ अब बोलो आरव जैन, क्या बोलना चाहते हो तुम?
no, I didn't understand how phi became 90 degrees.
अरे भाई, tan
Automatic.
फाई. एक सेकंड चौधरी जी, मेरे को फीस दी है उसने, आपको नहीं. मैं पढ़ा लो इसको बेटा. है? एक सेकंड, तुम्हारी बारी आएगी, तुमको बोलेंगे बोलने के लिए, रुको. अरे भैया आरव जैन, तुमको इतना, तुम टेबल पढ़ के बैठे हो, इधर आओ जरा. कल तुम फटाफट आंसर कर रहे थे. ये बताओ tan 90 डिग्री क्या होता है आरव जैन? जल्दी बताओ.
Tan 90 degrees is equal to क्या था?
इन्फिनिट मत बोलना, नॉट डिफाइंड होता है.
It's not
ठीक है.
defined, sir. Yes.
अब बताओ कोई किसी, अब ये tan फाई अगर नॉट डिफाइंड लिखा है तो फाई का एंगल, फाई की वैल्यू तुम बता सकते हो कि नहीं इन दोनों को देख के?
It becomes not defined then. Oh,
अरे नॉट डिफाइंड क्या, इट बिकम्स 90, देन फाई बिकम्स 90.
yeah.
फिर समझा बेटा?
Yes.
अभी अभी दिमाग सारा ग्रे सेल अभी यूज होने लगेगा, थोड़ा सा रुको. अभी तो कुछ यूज ही नहीं होता था. अभी पहली बार तो उसको पता चल रहा है. अच्छा, ये भी होता है. समझ आया नहीं है? ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड दिस क्वेश्चन और नॉट? हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ ना बोला
Yes.
करो बे. हाँ. शाबाश. चलिए. हाँ चौधरी जी, आपको भी कुछ बोलना है?
Sir, I forgot what I was saying.
नहीं नहीं, अभी कुछ नहीं बोलना है ना आपको, कुछ पूछना नहीं है ना आपको। चलो लेट्स मूव अहेड विद नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, थर्ड क्वेश्चन। आओ देखते हैं व्हाट इज थर्ड क्वेश्चन। अभी अविका ये समझ में आया ना बेटा? होमवर्क किया तुमने अविका?
यस सर, नहीं सर मैं होमवर्क नहीं कर पाई थी।
क्यों बेटा?
तो मेरे स्कूल शुरू हो गया, हमारे टेस्ट स्टार्ट हो गए हैं।
अरे तो ये तो पिछले हफ्ते का होमवर्क है।
सर वो नहीं हो पाएगी, स्कूल स्टार्ट हो गया था।
तो ऐसे तुम पूरे साल भर करोगी क्या? स्कूल तो
नहीं
चलता रहेगा,
सर।
स्कूल बंद हो जाता है क्या तुम्हारा?
नहीं
एक महीने
सर।
बाद स्कूल बंद हो जाएगा?
नहीं सर।
कोशिश करो, 2 क्वेश्चन 3 क्वेश्चन दिन में कर सकती हो बेटा, आधा घंटा सब निकाल सकते है ना।
ठीक है। तो प्लीज शो द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन
एक
वंस,
एक
एक स्टेप
सेकंड, एक
कॉपी
सेकंड,
करना रह गया।
वो 1 मिनट, एक 2 √2 Newton, next Newton are acting at a point, the resultant is perpendicular to x cap Newton and having magnitude of the angle between two forces and magnitude of x r। ठीक है। हम्म, ये लो लिख लो तुम।
सर प्रीवियस
ये
स्लाइड, इससे पहले वाली।
ये
यस सर, लास्ट।
चलो जल्दी लिखो। बेटा देखो, तुम समझो, जितना थोड़ा थोड़ा पढ़ रहे हैं हम लोग, वेक्टर में जितने तुम मजबूत होगे ना, उतना तुम्हारा फिजिक्स ठीक होगा। अभी इसके बाद कैलकुलस है, तो ये 2 टॉपिक अच्छे से करो। सबसे पहले मैथ्स स्ट्रांग होनी चाहिए, फिर तुम्हारा बाकी सब स्ट्रांग हो। ठीक है? फिर थिंग्स विल बी इजियर फॉर यू, फिजिक्स विल बिकम वेरी इजी फॉर यू। दैट्स व्हाई वी आर स्पेंडिंग टाइम इन दिस। ठीक है? Yours is the first batch who is doing the second exercise. We haven't done second exercise in any of the batches. करवाया ही नहीं मैंने किसी को। तो ठीक से करो, जब मौका मिल रहा है तो अच्छे से सीखो। चले आगे, आ जाओ। सो two forces, 2 √2 Newton and x Newton are acting at a point where the resultant is perpendicular to x cap Newton, right? Is perpendicular to and having magnitude of 6 Newton. The angle between two forces and the magnitude of x r. So just pay attention. What is written here, I'll just show you. There is this x vector. So this is the x vector, okay? This is vector x. There is another vector 2 √2 Newton. So this is 2 √2 Newton. All of you please pay attention. And this is the resultant vector. This is the resultant vector. Can you guys see that resultant is perpendicular to vector x? Yes or no?
Yes.
So आरव, तुम्हारा डाउट है बेटा, इधर ध्यान से देखो, इधर देखो ध्यान से। ये तुम्हारा डाउट है। This is x cap Newton, right? That means a unit vector along x vector. X cap is what? It's a unit vector along x vector. So it says that the resultant is perpendicular to x cap vector. That means resultant is perpendicular to x vector. I hope you understood this. Arav, you understood? Say yes or no. I
Yeah,
can't
I
see
understood.
everybody. So, हाँ ठीक है, शाबाश। तो हर्षिता, you understood? This was your doubt also. हर्षिता,
यस सर।
समझ आ रहा है बेटा?
हाँ सर।
ठीक है, ठीक है। तो now and having magnitude of 6 Newton. So this r vector has magnitude 6 Newton, right? So can you guys see here what is happening? This is 90 degrees, 6 square, using Pythagoras theorem. One side of the triangle is 6, the other side is 2 √2, the other side is x. This is 2 √2 and this is 6. The angle between the two forces. So I want to find this angle. Which angle? This angle. This is the angle which we want to find, and we also want to find what is x value. So 6 square plus x square is 2 √2 ka whole square. Yes or no? All of you. This is
Yes.
36.
Yeah.
36 plus x square is equal to how much?
8.
यार ये कुछ तो गड़बड़ है।
Sir, it is root 6 Newton, sir. Not
इट्स रूट
6
सिक्स है
Newton.
ना? हाँ, वही मैं सोचूं, कुछ तो गड़बड़ हो रही है यहाँ। दिस इज रूट 6, हाँ, रूट 6। ये कैसे पॉसिबल? सो दिस विल बिकम 6, हाँ। So this is 6. So what is value of x now? Root 2. Arav, understood, beta?
Yeah, this I got up till here, but the
Hmm.
thing that I had a difficulty in finding was
The
the
angle.
angle. Yeah,
See, इधर देखो, ये phi है. What will be this angle, Arav? If this
theta.
angle is no, अरे काय का theta? If this is phi, this will be pi minus phi. Supplementary angles नहीं पढ़ा बेटा?
पढ़ा है sir.
तो बेटा ये आया ना phi minus phi. कर लेंगे, लिख लेंगे अपन. We can write this, yes or no? 180
Yeah.
degrees pi. If you don't understand pi, write 180 degree. I am fine with it. Okay?
Okay.
देखो, अब एक बात बताओ आ रहा हो. कैन यू राइट साइन 180 degrees minus 5 is root 6 upon 2 root 2? Can you do this? Sine 180 degree minus 5 is root 6 upon 2 root 2. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So sine 180 minus 5 is sine 5. Yesterday only you were telling me this.
Yeah.
So now you got the value of sine 5. What is it now? It's
Sine.
root 3 by 2.
Yeah. Cause
You
if
can solve this radicals, right?
yes. Cause
So
then and this will become 1 second. So let me just calculate. Sine 60.
60 degrees. That's the answer. See, you only told me. I didn't tell you anything.
But
ठीक है?
sir, the answer in the book, cause when I was checking like my work and then after the book exercise,
Hmm.
it's coming as 120.
It's coming as
120.
हाँ, तो ठीक बोल रहा है ना वो. You
But then
calculated नहीं, ठीक है वो. See, you want to find this angle phi, right? So यहाँ से this is नहीं, ये गलत है. इसको you should have written 180 minus phi only. ये हमको हटाना नहीं, because we are dealing with the other angle. So it goes like this. This is 180 minus phi, right? So from here we get phi as 120. I need not see. We should not have changed the angle here. ये जो कर रहे थे हम लोग, we should not have done
oh,
that. Got
yes,
it?
sir. Yeah.
This was the mistake we did. चलो लिखो इसको जल्दी से. 1 minute है तुम्हारे पास, लिखो.
Fine.
Hey, you can write it afterwards also, na? As I said, you can write it later on. I'll send you the recording. Don't worry. You still have 1 week to write. We can do more questions. So next question was fourth one, which we did. Next one is fifth one. Let's see.
Sir,
This
I'm
is the
writing.
अरे भाई, बोला तो मैंने आप लोगों को कि आप लोग बाद में लिख लीजिएगा. फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन आई डिडंट गिव यू. फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन अच्छा दिया था मैंने. फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन
So you didn't give it to me. You didn't give it to us.
एक्चुअली एक्सेलरेशन का लीव इट. डोंट अभी, वी शुड नॉट एंटर इनटू एक्सेलरेशन एज ऑफ नाउ. ठीक है, छोड़ देते हैं अभी. विवान चौधरी का कुछ होमवर्क था. लेट्स सी क्या है विवान तुम्हारा होमवर्क भाई. 9th क्वेश्चन. आओ देखें 9th क्वेश्चन में क्या है. क्या हुआ बेटा विवान, इसमें 9th में है.
Yes.
Okay. At what angle two vectors of magnitude a plus b and a minus b act so that their resultant is this? ठीक है विवान. तो at what angle a plus b? So let's say विवान a plus b is p, vector p, right? Vector a plus b is p and vector a minus b is q. ठीक है विवान.
Yes.
Angle between them is let's say theta. ठीक है. And their resultant p plus q is how much? एक मिनट, मैं मैग्नीट्यूड देख रहा हूँ क्या? नहीं मैं, हाँ मैग्नीट्यूड है, गलती है. ये रूट 3 a स्क्वायर माइन प्लस बी स्क्वायर. एक सेकंड, ये दीज आर नॉट वेक्टर्स, दीज आर मैग्नीट्यूड ओनली. ओके,
ते काढून बघा म्हणजे काय चाललंय ते क्वेश्चन्स.
Only unlimited value.
these are only vectors, right? Sorry, these are only magnitudes. So magnitude of p, magnitude of q is this and this. The angle between them is theta, right? क्या पूछा उसने? so that the resultant is root 3a square plus b square. So resultant is r and magnitude of resultant is root of 3a square plus b square. Okay, विवान, ये पूछा है उसने. What did you do, विवान? तुमने क्या किया था इसमें बताओ.
Where I left it.
अरे लेफ्ट इट पढ़ के तुम कुछ नहीं समझ में आया है. अरे बालक बोलो.
What?
व्हाट मतलब क्या? मैंने कहा पढ़ के तुम्हें कुछ नहीं समझ में आया. सवाल है ये, इसका जवाब चाहिए मुझे.
Why, sir?
अच्छा, तुमको रिजल्टेंट निकालना आता है विवान? अगर
Result आता
पी
है.
और आता है ना, तो ट्रायंगल लॉ लगाओ यहाँ पे जरा. पी और क्यू, पी आर का मैग्नीट्यूड लिखो पी और क्यू के टर्म्स में. जब पी एंगल का मैग्नीट्यूड पी है, क्यू का क्यू है, थीटा थीटा है, एंगल बिटवीन पी एंड क्यू, व्हाट इज मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ आर? टेल मी इन टर्म्स ऑफ पी एंड
Of
क्यू.
root of 3a square.
अरे फिर तुम, इसीलिए तो नहीं हुआ तेरे से क्वेश्चन. मैंने तुमसे पूछा अगर वेक्टर पी है, अगर वेक्टर क्यू है, the resultant of these two vector is r, the angle between these two vector is theta. How will you write vector r, magnitude
b
of r
square,
in terms of p and q?
b square plus q square square root.
बस. और 2pq cos theta कौन लिखेगा?
Plus 2pq cos theta.
ये कौन लिखने आएगा इसको? मैं. ये तो लिख सकता है बेटा, तू लिख सकता है ना?
हाँ.
हाँ ना बोल.
Yes.
हम्म. अब निकालना क्या था इसमें?
Ratio.
ना, एंगल निकालना था.
Angles का ratio.
नहीं बे, एंगल निकालना है, ये थीटा निकालना है. पढ़ो ना उसमें क्या लिखा है क्वेश्चन में बेटा. Two vectors having magnitudes as a plus b and a minus b, ठीक है, are added such that their resultant is this. To find the angle. So I wrote this a plus b as p, a minus b as q, the angle between p and q as theta, and this is what we got. ठीक है विवान चौधरी, समझ आ रहा नहीं आ रहा है तुमको?
Yeah.
What is value of p? Value of p is a plus b whole square. What is value of q? A minus b whole square. This is 2a plus b into a minus b cos theta. समझ आया बेटा? हेलो.
Yes.
Now what is r? R is this also. So this is 3a square plus b square. So square both the sides. You get 3a square plus b square is equal to, यहाँ से it will be a square plus b square plus 2ab cos phi. Angle between a and b is some phi. We don't know what is it. नहीं नहीं, अच्छा phi तो है ही नहीं. सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी, माय बैड. a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर प्लस है तो 2ab आएगा, प्लस a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab. ठीक है. फिर यहां से क्या आएगा बच्चों? प्लस 2a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर इंटू cos थीटा. आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड दिस. यस और नो?
Yes.
This cancelled with this, right? This b square got cancelled with this b square, right? 3a square minus 2a square is a square. A square minus b square is equal to 2a square minus b square cos of theta. So cos theta is, this a square minus b square got cancelled. Cos theta is 1 by 2. What is theta? बताइए विवान चौधरी जी, बताइए.
50.
अब बताइए, ये क्वेश्चन आपसे सॉल्व नहीं होता था? तुमने ध्यान से पढ़ा ही नहीं, सवाल में क्या पूछा है उसने. है, इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन, और तुम्हारे जैसे बच्चे से जरूर होना चाहिए था. समझ रहा है विवान? तुमने ध्यान से पढ़ा नहीं बेटा सवाल. अभी समझ में आया बेटा?
Yes.
गुड। आप लोग को समझ में आया कि नहीं? अविका, आरव, हर्षिता, हर्षिता, you understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Sir,
I
I
understood.
got the answer already.
Okay. Hariharan, you understood or not? We did this.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So, yes, sir.
ठीक है, ठीक है. Come, Gurudeep, where are you? Where is
Yes,
this
sir.
Gurudeep? And Gurudeep, you understood or not?
Yes, sir. I understood, sir.
Okay, okay. So now for next week, all of you have the homework, right? I gave you till which question? 15,
No, sir.
18.
18.
Done, all 18 done?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो करना है इसको दोबारा ट्राई और एक बार करो, ठीक है? एंड फॉर आरव, जैन एंड क्या नाम है इसका, हरिहरन, आरव, जैन एंड हरिहरन,
Yes,
solve
sir.
this exercise 1 also now. Exercise 1, addition and subtraction of vectors, right?
Yeah, the entire thing.
Exercise 1, addition, subtraction and position vector and components are unit vectors. So till you have to solve it till question number, we have not done 3-dimensional vectors, right?
No.
In your extra classes. We will
Yes,
do it
sir.
tomorrow till 38th question.
And so,
Hmm.
I had a doubt in question number 7.
अभी नहीं करेंगे बेटा, अभी दूसरी क्लास का टाइम है, फिर अगली क्लास में करेंगे, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
You can send me your doubts. If I have time, I'll definitely respond. कर दूंगा मैं respond. We will do when we will be doing your cover up sessions, we will do those. ठीक है? I
Yeah.
hope all of you understood how we should attempt the questions, right? See, तुम लोग सब छोटे बच्चे, all of you are very small kids, तो चलेगा, ठीक है? But you should have patience to solve. Patience. This is what you are developing, right? You know how today you learned a way to solve equations, right? So keep doing it, ठीक है? Don't take pressure of this, but yes, do at least 2-3 questions in a day. अविका, 2-3 क्वेश्चन तो करने का सबको टाइम होता है बेटा, कि सबका स्कूल चलता है, ठीक है? एक मॉडर्न विद्या निकेतन स्कूल है, मैं तुम्हें कभी बताऊंगा उसकी कहानी। वहां का बच्चा सुबह, वहां हर साल टॉपर आता है आईआईटी से, और उसका एक 50-60 बच्चे हर साल उसके स्कूल से आईआईटी निकलते ही निकलते हैं। 2009-2011 मैंने वहां पढ़ाया, रैंक 1 था एआईआर वहां आईआईटी का। वो बच्चे सुबह 6:30 बजे से पढ़ते हैं और रात के 10:30 बजे घर पहुंचते हैं, 10:30 इन द नाइट, और फिर अगले दिन सुबह 6:30 आते हैं। ये 2 साल वो लगातार करते हैं। सो तुम तो कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे हो उसके पर्सपेक्टिव। दैट्स व्हाई वी आर स्टार्टिंग अर्ली, राइट? वी डोंट वांट टू गो थ्रू दैट ग्रूसम पेन। तो ऐसे नहीं करना है, थोड़ा थोड़ा करते रहो। डू अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ योर, ठीक है, होमवर्क। प्लीज डू इट। थैंक यू, बाय।
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you.
Sir. Thank you.
I'll upload this recording today only, don't worry.